All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we're back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today we are back with a very special video. Behind the scenes, I've been working on a new mini-series called the Fragrance Buying Guide, which should answer some of the questions that I receive about where to purchase fragrances. In each edition of this mini-series, we'll focus on popular online fragrance buying places. You know, these different sites that you guys go to check out fragrances, and then we'll comment and have conversations about their buying experience. In each site review, we'll discuss the company. We'll talk about what I purchased. We'll talk about shipping, pricing, reputation, and return policy to help you have the best fragrance buying experience. The first company that we'll be checking out is one that I came across last year. Now, this one may not be new to you, but it was new to me, and it's a company called Fragrancebuy.ca. Some of you guys out there may recall I originally came across this company last year when I was looking for the original version of Invictus Aqua. You know, the 2016 edition. He hit me up in the comments and said, Big Beard B, you need to check this company out, and I've been rocking with him ever since. It's a Canadian-based company, so I reached out to Chad from Gentleman's Journey for some additional insight, and then I got down to business. So again, our first episode in this series takes us to the Canadian-based company Fragrancebuy.ca. According to their website, their goal is to make sure you are satisfied, you are happy, you are enthused with their fragrance buying experience, both during your transaction and after. If issues arise, they are available on social media accounts. They're available by email and also via the telephone. So now that I got that out the way, you understand the backstory of the company. Let's talk about what I got. So when purchasing from Fragrancebuy.ca, you're going to receive a box that looks something like this. Now, minus all the white spots here because I did rip off, the shipping information for my own protection. I believe I purchased about 4 or 5 different fragrances, so your fragrances may arrive in a smaller or larger package, depending on what you got. So let's dig into it. So I tried to order a variety of different fragrances to help give you guys a better idea of what you can expect, what can you look for when you're searching through this company. I need to look for a fucking unboxing thing because purple scissors just doesn't cut it. They are purple because I stole them from my wife. Now I have them. Where should I get my knife from? Comment below. If anyone wants to sponsor Unboxing Knife, then feel free. I purchased these fragrances on March 9th at 11:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This arrived via USPS. For those of you who do not live in the U.S., that's the United States Postal Service. It arrived on March 15th at 1:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now that was really specific, but I wanted to make sure you guys get this true experience when purchasing from Fragrancebuy.ca. The total shipping time was about 6 days, including the weekend, so it's not too shabby if you ask me. So when you get your fragrances in the mail, it's going to arrive in a box that looks like this with a very special thank you on the inside and all the social media information. Now you guys understand how I feel about boxes, and I really don't care about them unless they're in this situation. When I'm purchasing a fragrance, if I'm purchasing anything online, it needs to arrive safely. And they do a great job in ensuring that your fragrances and your purchases arrive safely. I've never had anything messed up. Inside the box, you'll see your bubble wrap. Once you remove your bubble wrap, you'll see your purchases along with your receipt. So I did purchase 5 fragrances, and my total with shipping came up to $317.66. So now I'll just get into showing you what I actually purchased so you guys can check it out. Boom. It got stuck. That's funny. So inside the box I had Craze. Oh, it's about to smack me. It's crazy. Craze from the House of Moth. Now when you guys ask me to do Moth videos and say, hey, Big B, can we get an Moth? I typically order from Fragrancebuy.ca because they have a large Moth collection there. Inside my box here I have another box and another box. So this big box can suck it. Let's get into unboxings within the unboxing. Who's doing that these days? I mean, what other fragrance reviewer is doing unboxings in unboxings? I mean, don't name it. So if you get a small box, it's gonna look like this. It's just a scaled down version of the first one that we talked about. These little peanuts. I'm not a fan of those. Get them out of here. Should have seen the mess my son made the other day with some other shipping stuff. Took forever to clean up. So in the first box, we have Creed's Vetiver Geranium. Now, you guys heard me talk about this one, and it's a really nice fragrance. I would have probably included this in my spring list, but I did not have it in the collection at the time, and I didn't want to fake the funk, you know what I'm saying? But I do have it here. Now it's in the collection. Got this one for a really good price. I'll tell you all about it. I'll link everything below in case you want to check it out. I also got Dior Homme Eau. Another great fragrance for the spring. Couldn't list it in the list because I did not officially have a full bottle, but I knew it was coming and I did not want to wait for my list. Still a great fragrance. If you guys have it, you probably have that on your list. It's nice, really dope. You know what is cool? I've never had one of these fragrances before. A fragrance from Scent Story. It's a 24 gold. I'm gonna check that one out. And then I keep getting questions about English laundry, and I have that. But this is not what this video is about, but I'll show you exactly everything we have. So in the second box, we have another sample from Scent Story. We have Scent Story Platinum and another English laundry fragrance. This one is Riviera. I'll check those out, man, because I really haven't spent any time into the English laundry house. Again, this one's a niche house, so I wanted to make sure that I grab one from a niche house because I often get questions about creeds and where to purchase them from. This one was purchased for a really great price. I think it was $150. Actually, it was $150 in Canadian. I think it was $114 or $120 in US dollars, and I'll talk to you guys more about that when we get to the actual pricing. So this one's here. Another thing that I wanted to do for you guys is show you what the tester looks like. Most of the time when you purchase testers from, you know, sites that are online, these discount sites, you get them without a cap. And even if you purchase, you know, Bond, like Bond, every year they have this annual event where you purchase 2 fragrances, you'll get one for free. Even they give you their testers, and it doesn't come with the box, nor does it come with a top. All right, I'm not sure what the cost difference is for these guys with a top, but it doesn't come with one. And this one from Fragrancebuy.ca did come with the top. Right? And I know that's important for some of you guys who travel. You might want to take your fragrances with you and not have to decant them. But if you don't have a top, that makes that extremely difficult to do. So this one is a tester. It does come with the top. This one says the scent. It's Hugo Boss. And I believe this is the, yeah, just the scent. Boom. That is a lovely fragrance. Nice one. Canvas and Concrete. I've heard a few people talk about this one in the fragrance community, and I wanted to see how it works. So I got this one so I can test it for my team, my family, the big gang. Let you guys know how it really works, if I thoroughly enjoy it or not. And then this one is our Moth Craze, which I've been getting a lot of requests for. And then again, another fragrance that you guys have been asking me to test out was our Moth Craze, and this one is from their Luxe line. So I'll definitely check these out. Let you guys know what I think about them, but I wanted to show you kind of the range of fragrances that you can purchase, right? So you can get niche, or you can get these very entry-level fragrances, or you can get even something like this, which is a fragrance primer. So something that isn't really common, but you guys are now getting to see them. All right, so again, guys, I wanted to purchase a few different fragrances to give you a variety. Outside of these fragrances here, they also have things from Montserrat, Montal, Bond, you kind of name it, Killian. If you name it, they pretty much have it. If they don't have it, you can always ask them to reach out if they get something that you're looking for in stock. Now, in terms of variety, outside of the things that I showed you guys today, they have over 300 different brands in stock, and I want to say about 3,000 different product SKUs. And as you guys know, when you start to look for fragrances, man, you can dig pretty deep and find some nice gems, or you can just skim the surface and find some of the more popular fragrances that you have been looking for. But the great thing is you can tend to find these at a discounted price. As I've talked to you guys before in the past, one of the things that matters most to me when purchasing fragrances online is the return policy, especially when you're looking at a company that you haven't done business with before, is you want to make sure that, hey, something's funny, I want my money, right? You can reach out to these guys and they will be definitely more than willing to help you out. They have a 14-day, I guess, worry-free guarantee, if you will, where they will, you know, refund you your money, accept the stuff back free of charge to you if you find something wrong with them, but chances are there's a great chance that you will not. Another thing that I like about their return policy is that it is on par with a lot of the big major corporations that are here in the US. This is, again, a Canadian-based company, so the return policy is pretty similar to what you'll see here in the US. Not even just fragrance related, just big companies in general. Enough about what I think. I asked my Snapchat and IG family to hit me up with some of the things that are most important to you, well, to them, when purchasing fragrances online, and some of the things that stood out most were authenticity, shipping, and that's the actual shipping time and shipping cost, talking about the price and the deals, the variety of the fragrances available, and then also the return policy. Now, we touched on most of these things, but in this video and in these video series, I want to do a scoring tool. So I have a scoring tool with 25 points available with each one of these pieces that we just talked about to give these companies a final rating to help you decide if this is a place where you should shop. So again, the rating system is for 25 points, so let's see how Fragrancebuy.ca stacks up. So in terms of authenticity, I give them a 5 out of 5. 5 points they'll receive because of their worry-free guarantee, and also they have an authenticity guarantee. You can go to their website and check it out for all the details. In terms of shipping costs, I give them another 5 out of 5. Now, I did get my shipping for free using a coupon code on the Canvas and Concrete. That coupon code gave me 5% off on my total order and free shipping. In terms of pricing, they received a 4 out of 5. Their pricing is good overall, but in comparison to some of the US-based companies, their pricing can be a little more expensive in some situations. Traditionally, because of this variance, I would have given them a 3 out of 5, but here's a major key that might help some of you guys out. When you're looking for fragrances, they tend to have some of the newest releases to have them at the point of launch for a much better price. So for example, let's say you were looking for a Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum. At launch, they had it for $20 cheaper than you would receive retail with free shipping. Think about that. You save 20 bucks on something new, but you might spend $4 or $5 more on something older in some situations. I'm completely okay with that. So in this case, I gave them a 4 out of 5 because I believe that's a good trade. In terms of variety, I gave them a 4 out of 5. Now, they have over 3,000 different product SKUs and over 300 different brands. So in terms of some of the fragrances that I like Bond, Killian, the selection is a little more limited. But if you're looking, again, like from the house of Armaf, right? I go there for Armaf. They pretty much have everything that I'm looking for there. So make sure you guys check them out. And in terms of variety, I gave them a 4 out of 5. And the final thing that mattered to my Snap fam is going to be the return policy. In terms of return policy, I gave these guys a 4 out of 5. It's going to be pretty hard for any company to get a 5 out of 5 from me unless they offer a free return shipping. If you look at companies like Barney's and Nordstrom's and Saks, these companies that really position luxury as one of their key brands, for these companies who position luxury as one of their key pieces of the business, if you're looking for these companies who are really bigger here in the US, who really want you to be satisfied, free return shipping is one of the things that really set them apart. So unless a company offers free return shipping, they're probably going to get a minimum of a 4 out of 5 from me. So outside of that, these guys are good to go. They get a 4 out of 5. In terms of total score, out of 25 possible points, I give them 22 out of 25 for a B+ rating. If I were to purchase these fragrances for retail, I would be looking right around 600 bucks with tax. Again, I purchased all of these fragrances for the price of one of these retail. So great buy, great experience overall, fast shipping. I give them a B+ rating and a big B stamp of approval. Comment below and let me know if you guys have ever used this company. Comment below and let me know if you are going to use this company, because I know a lot of you guys are now in the market looking, and this video just happened to tie them up and tee up with that. I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. If you want to see more videos like this, and tell them to hit the goddamn bell.